आज मेरा वचन है, उसकी प्रथम पंक्ति है, तू न जा मेरे भूलेनाथ। इसका आधार धुन है, तू न जा मेरे बादशाह। इसी आधार पर मैंने इसको धुन में फिट करने की कोशिश मैंने की है। जहाँ तक मैं सफल होता हूँ, ये भोलेनाथ पर निर्भर है। मैं मानता हूँ यहाँ कोई छत्तीसगढ़ का व्यक्ति यहाँ मौजूद नहीं है, क्योंकि इसमें मैं भोलेनाथ को तू के रूप में संबोधित करता हूँ, जिसका स्वागत नहीं होता है। तू शब्द है वो, इसका प्रयोग अच्छा नहीं माना जाता है दुर्ग प्रांत में। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। हर पल तेरा नाम लिया मन, हर पल तेरा नाम लिया मन, तेरे दम में जिया जीवन, तेरे दम से जिया जीवन। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। जटा में गंगा, आंखों में प्यार, नीलकंठ तू सबका, तू सबका आधार। जटा में गंगा, आंखों में प्यार, नीलकंठ तू सबका आधार। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। मैं तो बस धूल तेरी, मैं तो बस धूल तेरी, छाया देखो अंधेरी, छाया देखो दूर अंधेरी। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। डमरू बाजे रूप रुद्र रूप, डमरू बाजे रुद्र रूप, तेरी महिमा अति अनूप, तेरी महिमा अति अनूप। डमरू बाजे रुद्र रूप, डमरू बाजे रुद्र रूप, तेरी महिमा अति अनूप, तेरी महिमा अति अनूप। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। नाक तेरे गले का हार, नाक तेरे गले का हार, तुझ में बसता ये संसार, तुझ में बसता ये संसार। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। शिव शंभु दया का सागर, शिव शंभु दया का सागर, हर हर महादेव तो कल्याण, हर हर महादेव तो कल्याण कर। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। मैं तो हूँ भक्त तेरा, मैं तो हूँ भक्त तेरा, मत छोड़ना वो त्रिपुरारी मेरा, मत छोड़ो वो त्रिपुरारी मेरा। तू न जा मेरे भोलेनाथ, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा, मुझको छोड़ के कौन सा। ओम नमः शिवाय, हर हर महादेव। धन्यवाद।
मैंने पाया तेरी दया को मैंने पाया, तेरी दया को मैंने पाया। मेरे नाम का सुमिरन में सुख भर आया। तेरे नाम का सुमिरन करके मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। दुनिया की ठोकर खाकर जब हुआ कभी बेसहारा, दुनिया की ठोकर खाकर जब हुआ कभी बेसहारा, ना पाकर अपना कोई, जब मैंने तुझे पुकारा, नाम पाकर अपना कोई, जब मैंने तुझे पुकारा। तेरे नाथ मेरे सिर ऊपर तूने अमृत बरसाया। तेरे नाथ मेरे सिर ऊपर तूने अमृत बरसाया। तेरे कृपा को मैंने पाया, तेरी कृपा को मैंने पाया, तेरी दया को मैंने पाया, तेरी दया को मैंने पाया। तेरे नाम का सुमिरन करके मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। तेरे नाम का सुमिरन करके मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। तू संग में तारिक मेरे ये गायब देख न पाए। चंचल माया के रंग में ये नयन रहे भूल जाए।
चंचल माया के रंग में ये नैन रहे भूल जाए।
जितनी भी बार गिराऊं तूने पग पग मुझे उठाया। जितनी भी बार गिराऊं तूने पग पग मुझे उठाया।
तेरी कृपा को मैंने पाया,
तेरी कृपा को मैंने पाया,
तेरी दया को मैंने पाया,
तेरी दया को मैंने
पाया।
तेरे नाम का सुमिरन करके मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। तेरे नाम का सुमिरन करके मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। हर तरफ तुम्ही हो मेरे, हर तरफ तेरा उजियारा।
हर तरफ तुम ही हो मेरे, हर तरफ
रूप तुम्हीं निराला।
निर्लेप प्रभु जी मेरे, हर रूप तुम्हीं निराला।
तेरे शरण में आके जाता, तेरी तुझ कोई तो ठहराया। तेरी शरण में आके जाता, तेरा तुझ ही को ठहराया। तेरी कृपा को मैंने पाया, तेरी कृपा को मैंने पाया, तेरी दया को मैंने पाया।
तेरी दया को मैंने पाया।
तेरे नाम का सुमिरन करके मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। तेरे नाम का सुमिरन करके मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। मेरे मन में सुख भर आया। सबको मेरी नमस्ते। मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा। ये शुभ दिन है हम सब का, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा। पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गंवाए। कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो। जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। मेरे वतन के लोग, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। मेरे वतन के लोग, जरा आँख में भर घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे दर कर माना, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दिवाली, वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली, थे धन्य जवान वो अपने, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा कोई मदरासी, कोई गुरखा कोई मदरासी, सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला, हर वीर था भारतवासी, जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर, वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गवा के, जब अंत समय आया तो जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए कही ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, Anand Haryadi, for bringing back memories of sacrifices made by armed forces during the Indo-China War. But whenever you hear this bhajan, it moves you emotionally. I now invite Vedic
लाखों है इसमें कमी। तू दयालु बड़ा, तू दयालु बड़ा, तेरी कृपा से धरती जमीन। दिया तूने हमें जब जन्म, तू ही झेलेगा हम सबके गम। रेती पर चले और बरी से डाले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे कदम। लेकी पर चले और बरी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे कदम। लेकी पर चले और बरी से टले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। सबको सादर नमस्ते जी, सदा रहे हंसते मुस्कुराते।
वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तं आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् तमेव धृत्वा मृत्युमेति नान्यपन्था विद्यते यनाय. Respected audience, present to the evening. Today we will have a short discussion on a specific aspect related to the concept of Devi and Devtas. Concept of Devi and Devtas. If you look at the broader Hinduism, we are very, very divided. If you look at Islam, look at Christianity, they also have different sects, not that they don't. They also have plain Muslims and the Shia, Sunnis, and with that, we have different sects as well. But there is one Allah. There is one Allah. Right? You look at, for example, Christianity, right? Again, you have different sects. You have Catholics, you have Protestants, and within that, different sects. But you have one Jesus. If you look at Hinduism and think about it, we have created, or we have in our minds deciphered so many different gods and goddesses, right? And the entire Hinduism, if you think about it, is extremely divided, and we are not united today, isn't it? Do we have any street power? The answer is no. You understand street power? Right? Getting all the Hindus together, very, 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 very difficult. Extremely challenging. Right? Someone will say, no, I follow Shiva, I follow Parvati, I'm a Shaivite, I'm a Vaishnavite. There's so many different gods and goddesses that we have created. And we keep creating more. We keep creating more. So, as I often mention, not many of us know, there is a temple that we have in India for Amitabh Bachchan. For Amitabh Bachchan. We have a temple for Sonia Gandhi. We have a temple for even someone like, say, Prime Minister Modi. So for Modi also in Gujarat, they put up a temple and they also came with the Modi Chalisa. Modi Chalisa. They have Hanuman Chalisa, there's also a Modi Chalisa. Right? We have one bike mandir in Rajasthan. We have one dog mandir in one place. We have a Visa temple. Right? We have an aeroplane Gurudwara. So we have, over the years, if you think about it, this visa, as you think, is very take a visa quickly. Aeroplane Gurudwara is value. Once again, are able to go to a Canada or a US quickly, right? So we have created so many, gods, goddesses, temples of different, different sects in the broader. We say, we use the word that there are 33 crore Devi Devtas, isn't it? 33 crore Devi Devtas. A simple question. Do you think, say, a language like English has how many words? A language in English has about? Now, if you look at the Oxford Dictionary, about 3 lakhs to 4 lakh words. A language like Sanskrit is much deeper, completely understand, and there can be far, far more number of words. But 33 crore Devi Devtas, there should be 33 words as well, no? If you have 33 crore Devi Devtas, there should at least be 33 crore, right, words, which I definitely doubt. Going by Anuman Praman, going by every to estimate. So what is this concept of Devi Devtas, and is it 33 crore? Is an important question. So the Shastras say, now we had in the meditation, we use the, there's the Sita ji, Tumeva Mata, Chita Tumeva, Tumeva Bandhu Chita Tumeva, and we also say, Matra Deva Bhava, Pitra Deva Bhava, Acharya Deva Bhava. So we say mother is a Devata. So is this Devata over here mean God? Do we say mother is a God? Then we say Pitra Deva Bhava, father is a God, Acharya Deva Bhava, Acharya is a God. That means all of us over here, many of us over here, most of us here are parents, isn't it? We are a mother or a father to someone here, most of us sitting here. So are we all gods then? Right? There is a big question that comes up. Because some of the Shastras are not understood in the right perspective. So the concept of Devi Devtas is that Devi or a Devta is one who gives selflessly, who gives without any expectation. Right? That's the broad meaning. So, if a mother, right, a child goes to a shop and he wants a plate of idli. He goes to a shop, he needs to pay 80 rupees and get a plate of idli. At home, does it happen that way? No, isn't it? Right? With a mother, you seamlessly get a plate of idli. She's more than happy to cook for you and give you. Right? So, in that context, it is giving without any direct expectation. This is a very crude, it's a very high level example. So, in life, if you look at Devi Devtas, they can be either living or non-living. Even Surya is a Devta, isn't it? We say Surya Devta, we say Vayu Devta, we say Jal Devta, we say Prithvi is also Devi, right? All these are also Devi Devtas. How? Because they also give us selflessly. Today, Surya or Sun gives us selflessly. It is a distinguish between people, isn't it? It provides the same bright energy to each one of us. Vayu, each one of us. Jal, each one of us. Right? So these are also Devi and Devtas. Tulsi is also a Devi Devta. It gives us selflessly, all the trees. Right? So Devi Devta is a concept. You have living Devi Devta, that means our parents, our Acharya, Vedic scholars. Right? And you also have non-living, which is, for example, Surya, Jal, Vayu. All of these are also Devi and Devtas. But the broad concept. Now, can you and I also be Devi Devtas? Absolutely, yes. Okay. Let me give you a small story. So there was this once young boy, about 5-6 years old, right? And he had a small little sister. They went to the beach, right? And over there, as they were playing, they collected a lot of shells, a lot of small shells, and they stuffed it in their pockets. The boy had stuffed a lot of shells in his pocket. As he was coming back, right, with his sister, there was a small shop. And this little sister, she saw a doll kept in that shop, in the window. And she asked her brother and said, listen, I want this doll. And the way she asked, the brother really felt that he wanted to buy that doll for her sister. So this boy, he's also 5-6 years old, he's also pretty young. He goes to that shop, right? There is a shopkeeper, and he says, how much is this doll? And as he says that, he removes the shells from his pocket and keeps it on the counter. The shopkeeper was also watching from a distance. The sister asking for the doll, this brother thinking about it, coming to the counter, he was watching all this. So this shopkeeper bunkered and said, okay, he saw a lot of shells on his cash counter. And he said, okay, this doll costs 10 shells. This doll costs 10 shells. The boy had kept about 20 shells on this. So he gave back the balance and he said that this doll costs 10 shells and here take this doll and then gift it to your sister. Right? So the boy was very thrilled and he went away feeling like a hero, right? And took that doll, gave it to his sister and walked away. The shopkeeper assistant was standing there and he saw this incident. So after this young children left, he asked the shopkeeper, he said, what did you do? Right? This doll was worth like 200 rupees. And these shells are worth nothing, isn't it? Right? Not there on the beach. So, this shopkeeper said that, listen, when I saw, right, this young little girl asking this boy, right, and I felt that this boy genuinely thought that this shells have some value, right? I didn't want to break that confidence he had and the love he had for the sister, right? Then they asked him, why did you need to return the shells? Right? He said not 20 shells, he said he's only 10 and give the balance. He said once again to give him dignity and make him genuinely feel that this doll was only worth 10 shells. Right? This is here, the shopkeeper is a devata. Is a devata. Yes or no? Right? Gave without expectation. Right? The brother is also to some extent a devata here. Right? How he had a huge amount of love for his sister and got this doll for her. So concept of Devi Devta is applicable to each one of us. Even a small child is also can also be a Devi or a Devta. Okay. There was once an Indian contingent. You know, you have this army, right? You have our Indian army, and we had a very nice patriotic bhajan today by Anand. So this Indian army, they were going to the Siachen Glacier. And as we know, it is extremely cold up there. So you had a troop of about 10 Jawans, right? With their lieutenant colonel who was leading them. And these 11 people, they were to occupy a particular post. We have a rotation, right? So when these 11 people go, the other people will be relieved. So 11 people were to go and man one particular post. It was a long walk towards that particular post and about a 5-6 hour walk from the last motorable place. So they were dropped in a truck and now they had to walk about 6 hours. It's extremely cold, right? And get to the post so that the previous team can be relieved. 6 hour walk, about 3-4 hours they were walking and walking and walking. extremely cold. At that point of time, they saw one tea shop. One tea shop. And the Jawans, they really wanted to have some tea. They came closer to the tea shop and they realized the tea shop is locked. Right? They were extremely disappointed. Nothing else, all only snow and snow and snow. Right? So then one of the Jawans said, Sahab, this tea shop is locked, but listen, there could be tea, at least there will be, there hopefully can be milk and or something inside. Let's break open the lock. Let's break open the lock. The Lieutenant Colonel, he thought a lot about it. What to do, what not to do. Right? Dharma says no, the shop is locked. The Jawans over here really want badly that cup of tea. The Lieutenant Colonel decided to break open the shop. So he quickly, small lock, for them it's a matter of 2 minutes, right? They broke the lock and they went into the shop and they saw that yes, there was powder, milk powder, and there was some tea leaves, etc. So they decided to make 10 cups of tea, had some biscuits, whatever was there, some cookies, and they felt very, very satisfied. As they were leaving, the Lieutenant Colonel thought that what can I do? Right? So he decided, well, the cup of tea may cost only say 10 rupees, it would be like 100, like for 11 people about 200 rupees. But something he felt that no, we have broken open the shop and he decided to leave a 2000 rupee note. A 2000 rupees, and he somewhere left it under a table, right? And the cash counter came out, once again just put the bolt and left. This particular team of 11 people, they went to the post. 3 months they were manning the Siachen Glacier. After 3 months, they had to come back. Right? A new team came. When these 7 people, they were coming back, they once again saw that tea shop. And the tea shop was this time open. So they went in there and they said, can we have a cup of tea? The shop owner was more than happy. He was a Thakur. He said, "Ha sahab, aiye." And he made some nice cup of tea and he served them. As they were sipping the cup of tea, this Thakur said, yes, he said, the Jawans asked him, listen, what do you run this tea shop in such a God-forsaken place? He said, no, Ishwar is there, God is there, I'm alright, my life is fine. This Jawan said, what Ishwar, you keep talking about, right? All this is nothing. He said, no, listen, Ishwar is there. So he said, what is the proof here? He said, let me tell you a story. And it happened with me, sir. He said, what happened? He said, just about 3 months back, right? I was really desperately in need of money for my son who had fallen ill. And I had no money to buy medicines for him, right? And actually had gone out to my house, right, during my working hours to look after my son, okay? But I had no money to buy medicines for him. But you know what, Sahab? When I came back to my shop, right, the lock was open because the lock was broken, but inside there were 2,000 rupees, right? And that day I can go and get my medicines. Sahab, Ishwar is there. Ishwar came and put that money on my table, on my counter, right? The Jawans looked at each other, right? The Lieutenant Colonel, he quietly, in a way, through eye contact, he told his Jawans to keep quiet. To keep quiet. Right? So that his faith is not broken. But did Ishwar come or did Devi Devta come? Devi Devtas. Right? While he may think it is Ishwar. but they were Devi and Devtas, right? Because they gave selflessly. They were kept only 200 rupees, that also was dharma. If they kept 200 rupees also was dharma, right? But they kept 2,000 rupees, right? Gave selflessly without expectation. So that's the concept of Devi Devtas. We don't do, because if we don't understand this in right perspective, we cannot make everyone God. Ishwar is one. Ishwar is one. Ishwar is formless. At the same time, we need to understand as to what's the concept of Devi Devtas. There are no 33 crore Devi Devtas. The Shastra uses the word Kodi. Kodi over here means types. It doesn't mean crores. Because only when we understand Ishwar from the right perspective, will be able to be on the path of spirituality. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
So,